The probability distribution of a discrete random variable x is given below. Find the value of k. The given table is a probability distribution. Probability distribution means random variable x and probability of x. If the values of random variable and its probabilities are given, it is called probability distribution. So, P of x is probability mass function. Two properties of probability mass function are: first one, P of x greater than or equal to 0. Second one, sigma P of x equal to 1. That is, here values of P of x are k, 2k, 3k, 4k, 5k, 6k. Sigma of P of x means k plus 2k plus 3k plus 4k plus 5k plus 6k is equal to 1. Now, equating the sigma P of x equal to 1, we will get the value of k. So, the given question is probability distribution. Since it is probability distribution, these are probability mass function. According to the property of probability mass function, summation of P of x equal to 1. That is, k plus 2k plus 3k plus 4k plus 5k plus 6k equal to 1. Then we can get the value of k. Since P of x is probability mass function, according to the second property of probability mass function, sigma P of x equal to 1. Sigma P of x equal to 1, where the values of x are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Values of x are 1 to 6. So, we are adding all the value of P of x for x equal to 1 to 6. That is k plus summation of all P of x values equal to 1. That is 21k equal to 1. That is k equal to 1 upon 21. K equal to 1 upon 21. A random variable has the following probability distribution. Determine the value of k. Since given question is probability distribution, P of x is probability mass function. P of x is probability mass function. Properties of probability mass function. First one, P of x greater than or equal to 0 for all x. Second one, sigma P of x equal to 1 for taking the values x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since sigma P of x equal to 1, summation of all these values equal to 1. Summation of all values equal to 1. That is k plus 2k plus 2k plus 3k plus here 1k plus k square plus 2k square plus 7k square equal to 1. 9k plus 10k square equal to 1. Changing into standard form, 10k square plus 9k minus 1 equal to 0. Now, how to find the value of k? By multiplying both the roots, you will get the value of 10 into minus 1 minus 10. By adding both the roots, you will get 9. You have to find two numbers such that multiplication is minus 10, addition is 9. That is 10 minus 1 is 9, 10 into minus 1 is minus 10. So, 10 and minus 1 are the numbers. So, 9k we are splitting into 9k, we are splitting into 10k minus 1. 9k is equal to 9k. That is, we are changing 9k. 10k square, 10k minus k minus 1. Taking 10k outside. Taking minus 1 outside. Okay. Now from this k plus 1 common, taking k plus 1 outside, here 10k minus 1 equal to 0. So either k plus 1 equal to 0 or 10k minus 1 equal to 0. Either k plus 1 equal to 0 or 10k minus 1 equal to 0. If k plus 1 equal to 0, k equal to minus 1. If 10k minus 1 is equal to 0, k equal to 1 upon 10. But if we put k equal to minus 1, here this k will be minus 1. But probability mass function never can be negative. First property is probability of x greater than or equal to 0. It can never be negative. So k can never be negative. So in this question, k is equal to 1 upon 10. So our given question will be, our given probability distribution will be converted into k into 1 upon 10. 2k into 2 into 1 upon 10. Okay, k equal to 1 upon 10. Therefore first one is 1 upon 10. K 1 upon 10. Therefore 2 into 1 upon 10. 2 upon 10. Again 2 upon 10. 3 into 1 upon 10. 3 upon 10. K square is 1 upon 10 square. 100. 2k square is 2 into 100. 1 upon 100. 7k square plus k. 7 upon 100 plus 1 upon 10. Okay. Now last one is 7 upon 100 plus 1 upon 10. Here multiplying both sides by 10. 7 plus 10, 17. Last one is 17 upon 100. When x equal to 1, the value of p of x equal to 1 upon 10. When x equal to 2, 2 upon 10. When x equal to 3, 2 upon 10. Like that, when x equal to 7, 17 upon 100. If the question is probability of x less than 3, how to find out the values of x less than 3? Here 1 and 2, that is probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2. When x equal to 1, 1 upon 10. When x equal to 2, 2 upon 10. That is 3 upon 10. Probability of x equal to 3 is 3 upon 10. Okay. For the following probability distribution of random variable x, first question, find the value of k. Second question, find probability of x greater than 1. So here this is given a probability distribution. Therefore p of x is probability mass function. Since the given table is probability distribution, p of x is probability mass function. Therefore according to the second property of probability mass function, sigma p of x equal to 1. That is sum of all these p of x values equal to 1. K plus 2k plus 3k. That is 6k equal to 1. That is k equal to 1 upon 6. Now we are converting the given question into, by removing k, this k will convert into 1 upon 6, 2k 2 by 6, 3k 3 by 6. The given question is converted like this because we substituted the value of k. Now second part of our question, p of x greater than 1. Second part, p of x greater than 1. That is, for values greater than 1 we have to find out. X greater than 1 means x equal to 2 and 3. That is p of x equal to 2 plus p of x equal to 3. At x equal to 2, we got the value 2 upon 6. X equal to 3, we got 3 upon 6. That is 5 upon 6. So p of x greater than 1 is 5 upon 6. First part of the question, the value of k. The value of k we got 1 upon 6. the value of k equal to 1 upon 6 and probability of x greater than 1 is 5 upon 6.